Hi, beautiful Glina Artistic family. It is Glina, your paint manufacturer's mentor. Let me ask you this question. Do you really need 12 paint products to make six-figure profits? Because smart manufacturers are scaling faster with fewer formula. And in today's video, I am going to show you exactly how they do it using a simple 80-20 strategy that can double your profit in lesser time and with lesser stress. So if you're joining us for the first time, subscribe now and turn on the notification bell. And of course, drop a comment which city or country are you watching from. I reply to every comment because you are my motivation. Yes, if you're not aware. So now, section 1, the big mistake most manufacturer make. You understand? If you're trying to produce every single paint, emulsion paint, satin paint, gloss paint, waterproof paint, texture paint, anti-rust paint, marine paint, I'm not saying that you cannot produce up to 10 or 5 different type of paints, but you are setting yourself up for burnout. Yes, it is not about how many paints you produce. Listen carefully. It's about how well you sell the right fewer products to your customer. And this is where the 80-20 rules come in. You understand? So now, what is the 80-20 rules? I know most of you might be confused. Like I said, a lot of us don't like reading. You understand? So now I'm going to explain the 80-20 rules for you. In your paint business, 80% of your profit comes from just 20% of your product. That is how it is in business. Yes. So if you focus on the right fewer products, you will make more sales, deliver better results, and build a brand that's known for something unique and amazing. You understand? So let me give you a simple example from both of my students, Emma and Moses. Hi, Emma. Hi, Moses. I know you're watching this video. Hi. So let me show you what I mean by that. Emma produced just 3 paints. Yes. When she reached out to me to enroll for my courses, after enrolling for my courses, we focused on 3 unique paints, which is the premium matte paint and the high gloss oil paint, and of course the anti-rust primer paint based on our country. So she branded each one of these products, created a color card, pricing template, and Emma trained one sales rep. She focused on ads only and on these other 3 products. But Moses, on the other hand, he produced different types of paint. He stocked it in the shop. He was always in production, but almost never in profit because he spreads himself too much. So which one are you right now? Are you Emma or you're Moses? Strategy number 4, strategize how you can apply the 80-20 rules, and here's how you can double your profit by simplifying your paint line. That is just it. 1, identify your best selling product, which might be 2 to 3 paints. Bring in the most profit or inquiries. Then you now have to focus on those paint and brand them, promote them, and of course concentrate in learning the advanced formulation of this product. Number 2, eliminate or delay the rest. You don't have to say no forever, just not now. Cut down on complicity to boost delivery and spread, of course, and quality. Number 3, optimize your sales system. Yes, create a brochure, use your WhatsApp business, auto replies, train someone, you understand, who can help you in selling this product. Now, the result will be that you will make sales daily without killing yourself doing everything. And now you now know on the right product that is generating sales for you. Now, the next is that if you understand, you like right now, okay, right now you might be feeling overwhelmed. You are mixing every day, but your account is not growing. That's because you are chasing volume, not value. And if you want to simplify sales smartly and finally make constant profit, then of course you have to join our 10 days paying sales challenge, where we will help you create a sales system, focus on your product line, and start teaching you how to sell daily, even if you've never made constant sales before. And I told you it is just for 11,000 naira, which is $8. 11,000 naira, which is $8. And in 10 days, you will know how to package your product like an expert, attract new customers weekly, make more profit with less stress the right way. And of course, you're going to learn the reason you are a paint manufacturer. You see, a lot of us start business because of stress. We don't really know what this business is all about. We just want to generate income. And at the end of the day, if you don't learn this business the right way, you're going to be burned out, you're going to abandon this business, you're going to be frustrated, and you're going to, like I said, you're going to abandon the business. And at the end of the day, you'll be like, this is not it. Why other people or other persons are making money from that same business? You understand? A lot of people are gifted. Yes. They just get that knowledge beautifully because they study and they read. Some persons that is not that opportune can now be able to learn the success and the secret to this business. You understand? So that is why you need to learn sales. Yes, every business person have to learn sales, because if you're not selling, why are you in the business? You understand? So click the link in the description to join the 10 days paying sales challenge now and thank me later. I am Coach Glina from Glina Artistic Paint Education, helping smart paintpreneur like you build sustainable, profitable business the right way. So if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment, of course, where you're watching from, and of course, subscribe to our channel. And tell me below, which three paints do you want to focus on this year? See you in our next video, and bye for now.